Utilita Bowl today, and it's an incredibly exciting day. There's work going on to prepare for installation of the first of 1,000 solar panels that are going to be installed. That's going to make a massive dent in our carbon footprint, produce about 25% of the energy that we'll use in the stadium in a year. That's really significant. It's the biggest installation in a UK sporting venue.
Utilita's perspective, obviously we want to be part of that, the country's journey towards net zero. The great thing about solar is that it is delivering that environmental benefit and economic benefit as well. We've got the expertise to deliver these projects. Our hope, and more than that, it's our expectation, we will be doing this both in terms of energy and supporting sports, many more stadiums throughout the country.
These sort of initiatives are the sort of thing that a lot of people would like to do, but it's often not possible because of lack of resource. Utilita have really helped us by giving us the resource, giving us the equipment, giving us the expertise. Without them, we wouldn't be on this path to become the greenest cricket stadium in the world.